Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at application level data restrictions, or ALDR in short. Application level data restrictions can limit certain data features for an application, like the ability to edit, copy, or download records, as well as some workflow features like changing the status or group of saved records. ALDR works on an application by application basis, meaning that you need to enable these rules for each web application separately. You can enable this by going into the Edit Application page from the Control panel. Here, enabling ALDR will give you a list of features that you can limit for this application. The top section of this list consists of features found under the Actions column in the Data page. The bottom section consists of options you can find under the Status page. When you disable any of the features from this list, you will essentially remove end-user access to those actions. For example, removing Delete Records feature will prevent your end users from deleting saved records. Let's see how this works on an example. Here I have an order entry application that can be used to select any number of items for an order and generate a quote. Users can save their data and access these records at a later time. Let's assume that we don't want our end users to be able to delete any records they saved and also prevent them from changing the status or group of any records. For this, we must first enable ALDR and then uncheck the features we want to exclude. In this example, we need to remove delete records, change record status, and assign to group. Remember to press the Save button once you make your changes. Please note that application level data restrictions don't apply to admin level users. This means that admin users will be able to access these features regardless of how they're set up. Now let's log in with a standard user account. When we go into the data page for this same application, we can see that this user doesn't have access to the Delete Record button anymore. Going into the status page, we also see that the status change and the group fields are hidden.